Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where today I'll be sharing a secret for all those skinny girls out there who want to gain weight in all the right places. If you're tired of struggling to put on weight and feeling self-conscious about your body, this video is for you. Before we start the video, I have one simple request for you to subscribe my channel. And if you already did, then thank you so much. I know how frustrating it can be to constantly hear, just eat more. But the truth is, it's not about consuming unhealthy junk food. The key to gaining weight in a healthy and sustainable way is all about the right choices. And today I'm going to reveal one of my favorite secrets that has helped countless women achieve their desired curves. Are you ready to discover this amazing secret food that will make your body transform? Alright, let's dive in. So, the secret food that skinny girls should focus on is nuts and seeds. Yes, you heard it right. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can help you gain weight in a healthy way and enhance your curves. Nuts and seeds are packed with essential nutrients like healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which promote weight gain where it matters most. Some great options to incorporate into your daily routine include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds. You can snack on them throughout the day, or add them to your meals like smoothies, salads, yogurt, or even sprinkle them on your favorite dish. They not only provide the necessary calories but also offer a range of vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for your overall health. Remember, the key is moderation. Too much of anything can be harmful, so aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. You also need to engage in regular strength training exercises to build muscle mass. Combine these two elements, a healthy diet and exercise, and you'll be on your way to gaining weight in all the right places. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself and embrace your body at every stage of your health journey.